The pneumatic hydraulic jack NORDBERG N3335L. The minimum height is 260 mm. This jack is ideal for working in freight service stations and tire shops. The maximum load capacity of this model is 35 tons, so the jack is adapted to work with trucks and agricultural vehicles. The built-in safety valve provides a high level of protection of the equipment from possible overloads. Included with the jack are extension adapters for 20, 60, and 100 mm. They are easily installed on the jack, and also easily and quickly changed if necessary. The jack is equipped with a handle with a control mechanism, which allows it to be lowered quickly and safely. The operating pressure is 6.2 atmospheres. The kit for sale certainly comes with a repair kit. Strong and reliable wheels will ensure high maneuverability of the jack. Using a convenient handle, it can be easily moved to any part of the service.